If your father was discharged from a Delhi hospital this week with a BiPAP prescription and you are about to spend 1,50,000 rupees on a new machine, stop. Watch the next 60 seconds. You will save more than a lakh. Here is the situation. Your father or mother or uncle, they have just been discharged. Maybe after a heart episode, maybe after a COPD flare-up, maybe after a sleep study showed severe obstructive sleep apnea. The doctor has written one word on the discharge summary, BiPAP. You walk out of the ward. The hospital pharmacy is right there. The salesman quotes you 85,000, 1,10,000, 1,50,000. He says, take it now. Don't take a chance. Your father cannot sleep tonight without this machine. And he is right about one thing. Your father cannot sleep safely tonight without a BiPAP. But everything else he is telling you is designed to make you panic buy. Because here is what you do not know yet. You don't know if your father will need BiPAP for 3 months or 3 years or his whole life. You don't know which pressure setting was prescribed. You don't know what mask size fits his face. You don't know how to clean the humidifier chamber. Sure. And here is the part no one in that hospital pharmacy will tell you. Skipping BiPAP for even 2 nights after discharge in a moderate to severe case can trigger another cardiac event. The pressure your father's airway needs is not negotiable. It is medicine. So you think, fine, I will buy. But what if he improves in 6 weeks? What if his sleep study at the 3-month follow-up shows he needs CPAP, not BiPAP? Now you have a 1 lakh rupee paperweight in the cupboard. Or you think, let me buy second hand. Save 50,000. Get a used machine from OLX or Quicker. Please listen to me carefully. A used BiPAP from an unknown seller is a hygiene catastrophe. The previous users, saliva, bacteria and biofilm are inside that tubing. The humidifier chamber has minerals deposited. The pressure calibration has drifted. The mask cushion is reused. So the decision feels binary. Buy new and overpay. Buy used and risk pneumonia. 2 bad options. There is a third option. And right now in North India alone, more than 1 lakh families are using medical equipment rental. In Delhi NCR, a clinical grade BiPAP machine with humidifier, playing filters, everything rents for between 3,500 and 5,000 rupees per month. Same day delivery in most parts of the city. A trained technician comes to your home. He sets up the machine at the bedside. He fits the mask to your father's specific face shape. He calibrates the pressure exactly to what the discharge summary prescribed. If your father improves in 2 months and the follow-up says he no longer needs nightly BiPAP, you return the machine. That's it. You paid 8, 9, 10,000 rupees total. Not a lakh and a half. If he needs it long term, you keep renting. Or with providers like us, you convert the rental into ownership later. Nimpa. This is not a discount. This is how the rest of the world treats medical equipment. Rent first. Confirm the need. Then decide. But this is where most families in Delhi get cheated. There are 4 red flags. Red flag number 1, no on-site mask fitting. If the company couriers a BiPAP to your house and tells you to figure out the mask yourself, leave. Red flag number 2, no pressure calibration to your prescription. Every BiPAP has settings IP, EP, sometimes a backup rate. Wrong pressure can worsen the apnea or cause air swallowing. Red flag number 3, refurbished without replacement of consumables. Ask them directly. A real provider will show you sealed consumables on delivery. Red flag number 4, no technician callback in NCR. Sunday night, 11 PM, the machine alarms. The mask seal has failed. Your father is gasping. Who do you call? Now, the actual cost. City by city. If anyone in Delhi NCR is quoting you above 6,000 rupees per month for a standard BiPAP, you are being overcharged. And here is a question every family asks me. How do I even know which BiPAP my father actually needs? Pull out the discharge summary. Look for 3 things. 1. IP and EP numbers. 2. The mode. Look for S, ST or auto. 3. Humidifier requirement. 1 screen. 3 checks. IP, EP, mode, humidifier. That is your entire decision in 30 seconds. If you have watched this far, here's the one thing I want you to do tonight. 3 decisions. Make them in this order. 1. Do not buy in panic. Rent for the first 60 days. 2. Insist on on-site setup. 3. Pick an NCR-based provider with 24 hours technician support. At Healthy Jeena Sikho, we have served more than 1 lakh families across 9 cities in North India. BiPAP, CPAP, oxygen concentrators, hospital beds, same-day delivery in Delhi NCR. Free WhatsApp consultation before you commit to anything. Send us the discharge summary. We will tell you exactly which machine your father needs and what it should cost. The WhatsApp number is in the description and pinned in the first comment. Whatever you decide tonight, even if you choose a different provider, please do not let a hospital pharmacy salesman make a 1,50,000 rupee decision for your family in 5 minutes. Take 24 hours. Rent first, then decide with a clear head. If this helped, subscribe. Take care of your family. सांस आती रहे.